IV stands for innovation, for inspiring, for interconnection, and the V stands for vehicle. We decided to do that, to take that approach because we offer all our electrified vehicles with a complete ecosystem around the car. What do I mean with that? We are offering wall boxes for charging at home together with the Volkswagen Group. That means that we are consulting our customers for the installation and the maintenance of the wall box at home if they want. We offer a Škoda IV app, which gives the customer the opportunity to check the state of charge of their battery all time, or easy and fast find the next charging point. And the best thing is, it's all covered under one umbrella, My Škoda app, which is a single sign-on approach, and we call that simply clever.